John Wilkinson and I decided to make a working visit to the London Boat Show this year. We were hosted by the guys on English Braids, who gave us a base and somewhere to put our banner up. So where to start? We thought we were going to have a word with the RYA to get some advice, and lo and behold, next to them was Reed's Marine with a Hawk 20, one of the boats we use at Wolverston. We did pretty well there, so buoyed up, we went looking for the Drascombe stand, and on the way came across a wheelchair accessible powered craft. We'll look into that one later, I think. On the way to the Drascombe, we got distracted by what we thought was probably the star of the show, this beautiful Chris Craft speedboat. And we found the Drascombe tucked in. They were really nice, they were really helpful. Gave us some tips on readjusting our main sheet. We just bought a new rudder from them as well, so they're quite pleased to see us. We used the Drascombe on the river as well. Oh no, distracted again, I'm afraid. Well, after about 6 hours of heavy selling and plenty talking, and feeling rather oppressed by the huge amount of shiny plastic, John and I took some refreshment, caught the train, went home.